Unraveling the mystery of spider fangs. Hello, friends. Today we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, spider fangs. This phrase may sound a bit intimidating, but fear not. We're here to understand what it means and how you can use it in your daily English conversation. First off, let's break it down. Spiders are eight-legged creatures known for spinning webs, and fangs are long, sharp teeth that some animals have, often used for biting or injecting venom. When we put the two words together, spider fangs refer to the two pointed mouth parts that spiders use to bite and inject venom into their prey. In the most literal sense, spider fangs are just that, the fangs of a spider. They're an essential part of a spider's anatomy, allowing it to hunt and defend itself. It's important to understand this literal meaning before we look at any metaphorical uses. Sometimes, English speakers use the phrase figuratively. If someone refers to a person as having spider fangs, they might mean that the person is being particularly harsh, vicious, or hurtful in their words or actions, much like how a spider's fangs can be harmful. Now, let's see how to use spider fangs in a sentence. When he gets angry, his words are as sharp as spider fangs. She approached the debate with spider fangs, ready to take down her opponent's arguments. That's all about spider fangs. I hope this video has shed some light on this unique phrase and you can now use it with confidence. Remember, the beauty of language learning is in understanding the nuances of phrases like this. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.